Right guys, so we're going to get the engine bay cleaned on the GTI today. As you will have seen in the title, it's just filthy. It hasn't really been properly detailed or degreased or anything like that, and of course now we've had a couple of like leaks at cooler and stuff like that, so it is a mess. I've decided to sort of postpone the full detail to another time. The reason being, we're going to change parts like the boot lid. The bumpers need like paint touching up if I even do them, so doing a detail right now might be a bit of a waste. So what we're going to do, we're going to head over, see Taran again. You guys might remember him when we did the video when my car broke, but yeah, hopefully we will make it back in one piece today. Nice easy video. Yeah, I'll see you guys in a second when we finally go meet up with Taran. Right folks, so we're here with Taran, back again, bit of deja vu. Hopefully the car will stay in one piece today. Taran hopes so as well, because he's cleared the engine bay. So yeah, run us through what we're going to do.
I'm going to give it an engine bay, take detail.
Yeah.
But as you can see, it's a state.
Apparently I've just been told that's supposed to be silver from what you're saying.
It's supposed to be the same colour as that.
And it's actually what, it's black and brown,
yeah.
So it's kind of a mess. It's weird because I've got like a few nice bits on there,
yeah.
And then we've got the cap, and then we've got the pipes, but the rest of it's just a mess, man. But yeah, what sort of stuff are we going to use then?
Using a citrus pre-wash.
Yep.
With the degreaser in there. The
Okay.
pre-wash is from Simple Wax. Again, it's an unreleased product.
Yeah.
Put it into the chocolate, so that's fine.
Yeah.
Once that, we'll agitate it.
Yep.
Steam clean it, and then we'll dress it in the plastics.
It is quite windy today, so we are going to try our best. We'll get some loads of like cinematic style stuff and yeah, all the fancy stuff. Yeah, we'll get started. Right, so the paintbrush is out, or you probably got a technical term for it, haven't you?
Just a detailing brush.
Just a detailing brush, yeah. So we're making progress already. The main thing I'm noticing here, yeah, is this beast in the background, Taran's own car, EP3 Type R, just chilling there. Black and red always works, but yeah, going back to the GTI, it's already looking like a different engine, man. The way it came out last time, it just came violent straight out of there, but then I read afterwards on the forums that those pipes there are very fragile.
Yeah, they are.
So I think, you know, when I took off the fuel pumps, the cam follower,
yeah.
I probably leant against it a fair bit.
Probably.
Yeah, so old car minor. Sorted now, £8 part. Done. Guys got the gun out now as well, you know. So what's this, the steamer?
Yeah.
If you took a photo of that, it looks exactly like, oh yeah, your car's in smoke now. The usual expected state for this one, isn't it? Thought I'd just hop in here a second so I can actually talk a bit without it being too windy. Yeah man, that EP3 Type R is definitely getting me a bit excited, even though I have driven that car before. Maybe an EP3 project might be coming soon, get like a rough one, who knows guys. But yeah, GTI's engine bay is getting cleaned. Hopefully we have made up for all the wind so far by saying a few nice fancy shots. It's definitely coming together quite nicely. Like even the fact that I didn't know the actual engine bay has BWA written on it, it was just covered in grime. I don't think it's ever been cleaned. This is round 2 then.
Normally it comes off in round 1.
It only comes off in round 1. That's what
this is stubborn.
That's how you know this car's a shed. I'm probably going to pull off this during the week along with this as well.
Yeah.
I'm literally saving it because I want to see what's under there. Maybe there might be some wildlife living back there, you know what I mean?
You never know.
You never know. The engine bay definitely looks like a farm anyway, so I wouldn't be surprised. All the wheel carriers and everything yesterday when I did the inspection, man,
yeah.
Just dirt everywhere.
How was it underneath?
It wasn't too bad. The main things that were causes of concern, already had an idea.
Yeah.
You know, in the previous service history, you know, stuff like the split bushings.
Yeah.
And I know the back box has been welded in the past to pass the MOT.
Okay.
What else was there? The only other kind of new thing was the fact that the rocker cover's leaking a bit oil, but that's been done in the past, so that makes sense as well. So maybe he's redoing properly. And but yeah, no like huge red flags that I can see of, but more to come, innit? Who knows? Who knows? Right, so whilst Taran's just doing that, I just want to show you guys the EP3, man. I don't know, the last week or so I've just been getting excited by these again. You know, one interesting thing I noticed, yeah, well, I kind of knew anyway. I know they're two different cars, but the maddest thing with the K20 and this is that in the stock form NA, it makes the same power as that with a 2-litre turbo. There's a 2-litre NA. And even when you map them, these make like 250. Same with like the GTI, when you map them, they make what, 250, 260. So it's crazy, man. NA power definitely would sit nicely along the GTI, make it to a little track weapon or whatever. But yeah, man, K20 definitely got me thinking, man. Definitely got me thinking. Right, let's open the engine bay. Right, there we go. K20A2. Proper short bonnet as well, man. I forgot it's quite light as well, so you can actually open it with one hand and keep it up. You've got to put the prong there to keep it open, but he's got a new intake as well. This is the full thing, is new, isn't it, Taran?
Yeah, it's a Tigger one.
Tegwa, whatever it's called. Type R, it's all about the red. You got the badge. You got this badge as well. You got the inside, you got the seats. It's all polybushed and everything. All the good stuff. I mean, I've done the review in this, I think we did it last year, so you can always check that out if you want to see more. But yeah, Civic Type R EP3 and GTI both on the same drive. The two kind of rivals in a way at that time of the that sort of generation, but they're quite different cars, to be fair. Very different. That's the one. Bonnet vents as well. Add what, 50 horsepower in it, Taran?
Yeah.
50 horsepower with the bonnet vents, yeah. He's got the wing as well because he needs downforce when he's driving in the speed limit.
Yeah, of course. 30.
Of course, yeah. I haven't even got a spoiler on my car. I haven't even got a GTI spoiler, bro.
Told you I got one for you.
He's got a silver one, but I'm just, you know, worried about all the paint matching, man. It just gives me stress. Alright, so around 2 or 3 minutes. We'll cut to some like time lapse now. So you reckon this is the worst engine bay you've seen, Taran, in terms of dirt? What do you reckon?
One of the worst. S3 I did was not as bad as this, but pretty bad. But that came pretty much like new without much effort.
This seems like the dirt's very like ingrained, like it's properly stuck on there, isn't it?
Yeah.
You even got that Dilla, whatever that is.
I don't know what the hell that is.
It looks like a part animal and part tree. It's just in there. But yeah, just the dirt looks very thick, doesn't it? It's not like surface dust or anything. It's like properly
caked on.
Right, so we managed to get a bunch of the dirt off, and now what we just
clean the excess off.
Clean the excess off.
And then I'm going to dress the plastics to give it a bit of shine.
Yeah. This engine bay looks completely different. I didn't even know that these are supposed to be glossy and this is supposed to be silver. Even look at the battery cover. Comes out very nice afterwards. Slowly becoming less of a shed, isn't it? That's basically the plan. Become less of a shed, isn't it, Taran?
Yeah.
And look at the difference on the vacuum pump. Because the seal is probably needs changing anyway, but now when it leaks we'll see exactly the state of it. Maybe it leaked in the past and it got changed, we never know, and they've just not cleaned it. So if it leaks now, we'll see. See, another benefit of getting your engine bay cleaned, you know, so if you got any oil leaks or coolant leaks or stuff like that, clean it first, and then you can identify easily where the leak's coming from, because if it leaks again you'll know, because there won't be any dirt covering it. But yeah, it's still very windy, and we're now dressing the plastics. So what the stuff you're using then?
G-Technic tire and trim, but you can use it on plastics.
Right.
It's basically like a trim coating in it.
Yeah. Right, so it looks like we're all done.
As best as we could get it.
Yeah, we're literally freezing at the moment, but engine's completely dressed and all shiny and brand new looking. Literally so different how it was before. Some of these things I haven't even seen before. That's the state it was in. But as you can see, Taran's been at it for a couple of hours now, so yeah, all of this stuff is done to the best of what we can do. This engine was so dirty, we had to do 3 times the pre-wash? 3 times. So yeah guys, if you enjoyed the video, make sure to drop a like on it and subscribe for a lot more content to come. We did our best today. What we can do is literally the weather's just in the UK, but yeah, stay tuned for a lot more GTI videos to come. Alarm. Yeah, we'll see you in the next one.